If your paint job isn't covering stains like it should, you're probably missing some key steps that can totally change the game. So, first off, always start with a stain blocking primer when you're dealing with any kind of marks or discoloration on your walls. That stuff is like a magic shield that stops stains from sneaking through your top coat. Don't be lazy and slap on just one coat. 2 or even 3 layers might be what you need to really lock those stains in. When you pick your primer, make sure it says stain blocking right on the label, because regular primer won't cut it for tough stains like watermarks, smoke, or grease. Also, prep your surface well. Clean it with soap and water or a mild cleaner to get rid of dirt and oils that could keep the primer from sticking properly. Let each primer coat dry completely before adding the next one or your paint, otherwise you're just asking for trouble. After priming, pick a high-quality paint with good coverage and apply it evenly with a brush or roller to avoid patchiness. If you want to be sure you're not missing any spots, use a bright light at an angle to spot any thin areas and touch them up. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to cover stains with paint is skipping the stain-blocking primer altogether. This just lets the stain bleed right through and ruins your clean look. Another common issue is not applying enough coats of primer. One coat might seem enough, but can leave you with a half-covered stain that pops out later. Last, rushing the drying time between coats can mess up adhesion and cause bubbling or peeling paint, so patience here is key to getting a smooth, long-lasting finish. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who actually need their skills, helping them get steady work without the usual hassle.